Hi everyone, it's me, Sil Gonzalez from the DIY Belizean Mommy, back again with another DIY video. So this one today, we're putting together 3 pieces, recycling a creamer bottle and an oil bottle. Please make sure you use hot water and soap to wash this before you start your project, because you don't want to have any kind of oil or sticky stuff on your item. So here I'm just gonna try to figure out how to piece them together and see how it looks best. I never did this before, I just had it in my mind, and so in this video it's just me trying to figure out what I like best and how I like it best. And as you can see on the end, I never end up having that a silver floral wrap around it. And so anyways, this is just real life crafting that I usually just grab my camera and record while I craft. And so this is just me trying to figure out what I like best, what look you're going for. I try to think in my mind what style I'm going for, if it's farmhouse or elegant or girly, before I would start, so that I would know what color I would want to paint this, or stuff I'd want to use on this. So kind of have a base plan, but as far as setting it up and knowing where to put what and how to put it, I don't really have a plan. So anyways, here I'm just using spray paint. If I know, like, I'm using here just a regular cheap brand spray paint, and to get full coverage with this paint you would need to use like an entire can. So I would recommend using like a higher quality paint. What's that brand called? Rust-Oleum brand. Yeah, that has very nice coverage. I really like that. And so, or if you would like have a tan colored, or even maybe something darker that would match your paint, and then you like do a first coat with that darker paint, and then you go over with your gold, because this gold spray paint that I was using later on, I could like see different areas that needed touching up and stuff, and I never really liked it, and I wish that I had a better brand of paint, or went over it first with some type of other color. Like I had a cream Rust-Oleum brand. If I went over with that first and then over with the gold, it would probably had full coverage. Not probably, it would have. And so anyways, here I am just trying to like I said, figure out what I want. And I was actually I had in mind a birthday party that one of my friend wanted me to do for her baby, decorations for her baby, and so I had that party in mind. And so the theme colors was gold and pink, and it just never looked right with this silver thing on it. Anyways, I took it off then, and I just added a Minnie Mouse head and bow and her age on the bottle then. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully this gives you some kind of inspiration or idea that you can do. And let me know in the comments below if you ever tried doing something like this, recycling. A lot of people never really knew what it was, and that was a fun part about it. So if you're having a party and you're trying to go for something more cheap and inexpensive, and you have these bottles and stuff laying around, try to just open your mind and just try to imagine what you could make with it. And I wanted a tall centerpiece, and I don't have the money or place to go and find like nice tall centerpiece. In our country, we don't have Dollar Trees where we can go shopping for nice tall cylinder vases and yeah, put those together and make it all pretty. So I decided to try to come up with my own thing using some margarita glass that I have. It was lightly chipped on the edge, and so I don't use them anymore. And so I was like, well, why not use that for the base and just grab, yeah, recycle stuff that I have around the house and try to make a tall centerpiece. And I really liked the way it turned out. Everybody liked the finished look as well. That was at the party, and yeah, anyways, I had fun doing this. So anyways, if you guys feel like it, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, join the family, and let me know in the comments below if you ever try to do any crafting or what you would like to see next. So stay tuned for more cooking, baking, and DIYing and decorating videos. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in every time, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.